Hello student, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to see how to open the MS Access. Okay, so to open the MS Access, first of all you have to go to start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Office, and in Microsoft Office you have to choose the Microsoft Access 2010. When you will choose this button, then this kind of interface will appear. Okay, and if you want to create a new database, then what do you want to do? If you want to create a new database, then select this blank database, and after that create. This is the create button, you have to click it. Okay, so now let's see here. If you want to create a new database, then what you will do? Open the MS Access, then a starting screen will open, and then the blank database, this button. Just now I told you. Okay, let's take a look. See here, this blank database will come, and then you have to click it, and then this create button. Okay, the same thing is told in the create section. Understood? So by default name of your database is a database 1. Okay, you can see here database 1. This is the by default name of your database. If you want to change the name, you can type here whatever name you want. Okay, so this is what all about the opening of the MS Access. Let's try to familiar with the window of MS Access. Okay, so here this is the window of MS Access, and here this upper bar, it is known as the title bar, where your database name will appear. Before that, here are many menus. You can see here file, menu, and many other things. Okay, that is called as a menu bar. Okay, and here these are one row of the symbols. You can see these shortcut keys are there. Okay, this shortcut keys bar is known as the ribbon. Then here is the access object. Now in the last period only we had seen what is the object. Objects means what? Record, table, field, all these things are known as the objects. Okay, so what objects you want to choose for your database will appear here, and this blank side is known as the navigation panel. Then let's go here. This is the working area. Okay, now if you want to create a table, you can choose from here, and the table will appear here. Okay, so this is what the window of MS Access. Then at the bottom of the window there is one bar. That bar is known as the status bar, which tell us the status of our document. Okay, so now let's see one by one some explanation we are going to see about this, all the factors. Okay, all the components. First of all, what is the title bar? Now you are very much familiar that what is the title bar. Title bar is what? This is the title bar where your file's name will appear. Okay, so what is it? It is the topmost horizontal bar. It displays the title of current database. Understood? ये क्या है? ये आपका सबसे ऊपर वाला topmost horizontal bar है जो कि आपके database का नाम show करता है. Then menu bar just below the title bar, which shows all the menus. You can see here are many menus you are seeing. Okay, after clicking each menu, one shortcut one symbolic shortcut containing bar appear. That shortcut containing bar is known as the ribbon. Okay, so see here, menu bar is what? It is the below the title bar. It display various menu option of the MS Access. Then ribbon, it is below the menu bar. Okay, it has different tabs and tools to execute the different function. See, where is the ribbon? Ribbon is just below the menu bar. Okay, after that we are going to see the database objects. Okay, now here are the database objects. All access the objects. Now what are the objects? In the last period only we had seen what are the objects. Objects are the report, then your field, then your what is that, your table, then your records. Okay, so all these things are the objects. Now when the database is open, object buttons are displayed to the navigation through various database objects such as the table, forms, report, etc. Okay, so you understood what is the form? We had seen already. Okay, whatever the record you want to fill in the table, that you can directly fill through the form. Okay, now there is a navigation panel, okay, or the navigation pen. So what is it? It is the left side pen, and it display various elements of database. You can open, rename and delete objects using the navigation pen. So ये जो भी navigation panel है या navigation pen है, यहाँ पे आप whatever the objects you want to add, edit, delete, whatever you want to do, okay, you can do it here. देन आता है आपका वर्क एरिया. वर्क एरिया बोले तो जहाँ पे आपकी जो भी आपने वर्क किया विल अपीयर हियर. ओके, सो सी हियर व्हाट इज द वर्क एरिया. हियर एंटर द डेटा एंड क्रिएट द एलिमेंट्स सच एज द फॉर्म, टेबल, रिपोर्ट, etc. ओके, सो आप जो कुछ भी एंटर करोगे वो सब आपके वर्किंग एरिया में दिखेगा. नाउ स्टेटस बार. स्टेटस बार क्या होता है? जो सबसे नीचे होता है. इट इज़ अ प्लेस एट द बॉटम ऑफ द विंडो. इट डिस्प्ले द स्टेटस ऑफ द डेटाबेस. देखिए ये सबसे लास्ट में स्टेटस बार है और वो आपके विंडो का या फिर आपके MS एक्सेस का, आपके डेटाबेस का स्टेटस दिखाता है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सी हियर, इफ यू वांट टू ओपन the existing database, then how you will? Okay, so for that what you have to do, first of all you have to click the file tab. Now where's the file tab? So let's have a look. See this, in the menu bar the first option is the file. Okay, then view. So first you go here, you click here, okay, and you will find out your previous done database, from where you can open whatever you want. See, so what you will do, first you have to click the file tab, then you have to click the open button. Okay, open dialog box will appear. Then navigate to the database and click on the file. Navigate means आपको देखना है कि कौन सा आपको ओपन करना है. तो जो भी जिस भी नाम का फाइल आपको ओपन करना है उस फाइल पे आपको क्लिक करना है. ओके, और वो आप डायरेक्टली कीबोर्ड के थ्रू भी कर सकते हो. क्लिक Alt F and O बटन. O फॉर ओपन, F फॉर फाइल. ओके, या फिर Control O. सो इस तरीके से आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपका एग्जिस्टिंग जो भी फाइल होगा उसको ओपन कर सकते हो. ओके, after that this bar will appear. Okay, after opening your file, your existing data, this bar will open. Okay, this is the, और यहाँ पे आपको enable content करके, ये जो है enable content करके ऐसा लिखा है, you just have to click here. Okay, then you may also see a message asking if you want to make database trusted document. मतलब ये इस तरीके आपको वो पूछेगा कि ये आपका ट्रस्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट है क्या. ये सिक्योरिटी वार्निंग होता है, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ना, इस तरीके से मैसेज आएगा. तो आपको यहाँ पे एस करना है. ठीक है, उसके बाद तो ये हो गया आपका ओपनिंग ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट, ओपनिंग ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट टू क्लोज, अगर आपको इसको क्लोज करना है तो क्या करोगे, अगेन यू हैव टू गो टू द फाइल, देन क्लिक द क्लोज डॉक्यूमेंट. वहाँ पे क्लोज डॉक्यूमेंट करके एक बटन दिखेंगे, आपको उसे क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा, इफ़ यू हैव एनी अनसेव्ड ऑब्जेक्ट इन द डेटाबेस इट विल बी आस्क यू टू सेव. अगर आपके डेटाबेस का कुछ डेटाबेस है जो कि आपने सेव नहीं किया है तो बोलेंगे कि उसको पहले सेव करो और उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, आपका डेटाबेस क्लोज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब देखिए डेटाबेस में आप, ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आफ्टर opening your document the enable content will be come. Okay, means such kind of message, this yellow line message will come, and here is the enable content. Okay, enable content button is there, so you just have to click this enable content. Okay, now after that one more security warning question, that pop-up window will come. Okay, where you have to click the OK. Okay, आपको वहाँ पे यस क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और अगर आपको आपका डेटाबेस क्लोज करना है तो यू जस्ट गो टू द फाइल, देन क्लिक द क्लोज डेटाबेस बटन, ओके, एंड then it will ask you that whether your documents is saved or if is there any unsaved content. So you have to save it and then your document will be closed. Okay, now come to the template. Listen, there is there are many sample templates is given there. Okay, template का मतलब क्या होता है कि ऑलरेडी डिज़ाइंड ऐसा फॉर्मेट आपको दिया रहता है. ओके, नाउ इट्स योर विश दैट वेदर यू वांट टू क्रिएट योर ओन फॉर्मेट और यू वांट टू गो थ्रू द टेम्पलेट एंड रेडीमेडली फॉर्मेट you will get there, and there you just have to feed your data. So how you will get that template? So we will move to our first screen. See, after opening the MS Access, this opening window will come. Okay, here you will find out this template button. Have you observed this sample template button? Okay, if you click this, means rather than clicking this this blank database, you have to select this sample template. So in this sample template you will get many samples, okay, where you can add your data. So how you will get it? On the opening access window there is a sample template button. You just open it, you just click it, then you have to select the available templates, and then you can start entering your data whatever you want. Okay, and after you finish your data, you just save the file. Okay, so this is what about opening, or you can say the starting of MS Access. Now here are some computer etiquettes are given. Okay, so what are that? See, you should not carry any food item or the water bottle in the computer lab, and also you should not make any changes in the setting without asking or without taking permission of your teacher. Okay, so these are some etiquettes that you have to follow while going to the computer lab. Students, let's see some jargons. Okay, IT jargons we are going to see here. Now, what is the database? Database is a collection of related data. Okay, now what is the DBMS? DBMS means database management system. Okay, so this is the system where we manage our database. Now what is the table? Table is the arrangement of data in a row and column format. We had already seen in the last period. Okay, then record means what? It is a set of related data. Then fields means it is a group of particular type of information. Then redundancy means duplication. ओके, एक ही वैल्यू अगर बार बार अगर हम कहीं पे लिख रहे हैं तो इट विल सेट दैट अ रिडंडेंसी. देन डेटा मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर्ड इन द डेटाबेस. वट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन, हम डेटाबेस बोले तो कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, और वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन हम उसमें फीड कर रहे हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डेटा. नाउ द ट्रस्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट, व्हाट इज मीन बाय द ट्रस्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट? Trusted documents are the file which active content such as a macros. Okay, trusted documents does not open in protected view, so you should trust document if you trust its source. Okay? ये वो डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जिसके ऊपर हम ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. सो these are some key features, मीन्स क्या क्या हमने इस चैप्टर में देखा है. सो यू जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. what we have seen, हमने देखा है डेटाबेस इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन जिसको हम सेंट्रलाइज स्पेस पे क्या करते हैं, रखते हैं. डेटाबेस को हम फील्ड और रिकॉर्ड्स के फॉर्मेट में स्टोर करते हैं. डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट करने के लिए हमारे पास बहुत सारे मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स है, जिसमें कि MS Access ये एक है. MS Access ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है. ओके, और MS Access आपको डेटाबेस क्रिएट करने देता है विद द ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक अ टेबल, क्वेरीज, फॉर्म्स, देन रिपोर्ट्स, etc. ओके, सो ये सारी चीज़ें हमने इस चैप्टर में देखी है.